Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make 5-minute microwave matcha cheesecake. It is perfect dessert for your sweet tooth. It is super creamy, easy and delicious. So let's start. In a bowl, add in 240 grams of BOTG Porridge. It's low carb and you can get it from Medifood Kosa. Next, add in a tablespoon of melted butter. You can add more if the crust is still crumbly. Just mix it through. So at this point, I should have added another tablespoon of melted butter because it is still crumbly. Next, transfer the crust into a pie mold. I'm using a silicone mold. Simply press it down. You can also use the back of your measuring cup to press down the crust. So once done, you can chill it in the fridge for at least an hour. And then we'll make the filling first. In a mixing bowl, add in 250 grams of cream cheese. You can also use mascarpone. Remember to use room temperature ingredients. Next, add in 3/4 cup of erythritol. I use powdered erythritol. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. Then mix it until it becomes light and fluffy. After 2 minutes of mixing, it's already done. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add in 2/3 cup of cream. Then mix until well combined. Next, add 2 eggs. You can also add the egg one by one and mix it. Make sure that it is well combined. So the filling is already done. It's ready to be poured to your chilled crust. Now I'm pouring it to the crust. You can also tap it on the counter to make sure it is evenly distributed. Next, microwave and cook it in 2-minute interval. Now the cheesecake is already done after 5 minutes. It is jiggly in the center, but it's totally fine. Just let it cool and chill in the fridge overnight. The cooking time might vary according to your own microwave wattage. So this one is already chilled overnight and it is ready for slicing. As you can see, the middle of the cheesecake has set. So now I'm cutting it up into 8 slices. Each slice has 3 grams net carbs. It has 45.7 grams of fat and 6.9 grams of protein. So let's have a closer look. As you can see, it is super creamy. It is bursting with matcha flavor, rich cheesecake that is made using the microwave, sugar-free and gluten-free. The crust of the cheesecake is just a little bit crumbly, otherwise it's fine for me. Next time, I'll be adding another tablespoon of butter and use a measuring spoon to make sure the crust is perfect. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to try it. Bye!